Assalamu alaikum and welcome to our fourth demonstration of our e-commerce application. This is Amar Khan and I'm representing team Alpha here. So let's jump in. So this is our front panel of the application. We have changed the logo a bit just to match the background of the application with it, and luckily the credit book logo fits very well in as well. And apart from that, I have already shown the sign up and forget password functionalities. The forget password isn't fully functional. I have also told why in the previous video, so I won't go back into them, and I'll jump directly to what changes we had brought in this iteration. So for now, one of the feedback was given that when signing in, the user must not experience alert pop-ups too much, so we have restricted them, and if the user forgets to write the password or writes incorrect password, then the error is being displayed visually. So for now the password is missing, so there's a border around the password text box, and if I write wrong password, for example random stuff here, so the error is given on the main screen and no alert is being given. So I'll write the correct password this time, and now this is our home screen. So this is our home screen, and this is how the products are being displayed. And apart from that, we have two other screens to show, which is the cart. So I have currently inserted some items in the cart, so I'll just delete them. These are from the previous recording which I failed to record correctly, but this is how our empty cart is being displayed. So there's an infographic that demonstrates your cart is empty. Alongside that, we have this settings tab. So the settings have already shown how this works. So we have added update personal detail icon here. So this is not currently functional because it wasn't required for us to do so, but this is just to demonstrate how our future plans are going to work. So apart from that, the update password and delete account, I remember I have demonstrated in the previous iteration, so I won't go into them again. So this is our home screen now. So I will just click on some products. So for example, if I click on iPhone, so slider panel will appear for it, and with its description and its all the information that has been required. And alongside that, we have the authority to add the product to our cart and selected quantity as well. So for example, if I want 5 iPhones, so I will select 5 quantity from here and then add it to the cart. So the product is being added to my cart now, and now I will add few more products. I think 2 PlayStations as well, and I think one more this LED. Okay, so I will just keep one of the LEDs. That's a weird combo, but it's just to demonstrate how the application works. I think these amount of products are enough, and as you can see that if I was clicking on a different product, then a different panel was appearing. So we have coded wisely here. And this is our application now. So as you can see, the shimmers are being displayed for the items if they are not being loaded, and similarly the home screen shimmers are also displayed, but once if I sign in, then those shimmers will be visible. So for now it was already loaded, so the shimmers weren't visible. So this is our card now for now, and we have received the same quantity which we had entered. And since once we are in the cart, we again have the authority to change the quantity from here, because more applications provide that to the user, so they can have a better readability and better authority of what they are trying to buy. And for example, if I increase the quantity of these from 2, so we can see that the total amount is also updating with respect to it. And if I want to remove the iPhones because they are very costly for me, then I will all the iPhones I must correct myself, so I will just simply click on this red delete button, and now they all are being removed, and you can see that the price has also been updated here. And now I think these changes are enough, and I am going to buy these. So I'll go to the checkout, and this is the checkout menu for now. We haven't entered the location panel here because we have planned on to using Google APIs, and that would give a better aesthetic. For now, we hadn't used the just a string to demonstrate how address would be entered, because that wasn't very aesthetic and very pleasing to look at for the user. So For now, we have only restricted ourselves onto payment methods, order summary, and the total, which we usually see in the checkout. So the person cannot enter the credit or debit card for yet, because that would require another screen or a panel to come up. So we haven't worked on that since that wasn't required. And alongside that, we can see that we can choose each or any of the below options to for our payment method, and we have the order summary here as well. So we can only see the small picture of the product alongside its title and the quantity. And here we can see that the price of the cumulative with its cumulative quantity is also given, and the total price is also given. So this is a checkout menu, and here should be a button to buy now, but that won't be functional for now for this application. So we have not inserted it yet, and we have planned on to insert it once the location panel is being visible, so we can decide a better place for it. So this is our checkout screen for now, and I think most of the functionalities of the user panel is given now, and I will sign out and log in from a admin. So our admin is simply admin@admin.com. If I recall, I have already in the past logged in with this account as well. So this is our admin panel, and as you can see that the shimmers are being displayed here because I hadn't logged in with this account for a while now. And as you can see, once the items are loaded, the shimmers are gone, and we can see the items. So here we have a bit of items, and similarly we have the same bar above our head as well. So we can edit the items from here. For example, if I want to write the category of it as computer display HD, for example, and here I want to write Sony, for example. So I can also select image from here as well, and if I click on finish editing, we can see that the product is edited from main inventory, and we can visualize as well that the product is edited. And alongside that, if I want to delete any item, for example, if I am not liking this headphone, so I can simply click on delete. So it will ask, are you sure you want to delete this product? And yes, I'll delete that. So this is gone from the main menu now. So this is how it is working currently. And alongside that, I can also add a new product. So I think I don't have an image currently. I will simply download a random image of any headphones, since we have removed headphones from our inventory right now. So headphones. So here I will download this image. So this is all functional through a mobile. So that's why I'm demonstrating it here right now. So I'm in the add product again, and I'll be selecting an image. So this is the image which I've selected. I'll name it white colored headphones, wireless headphones, and give it a category of computer accessories. Give it a price of 10,000 rupees, and a product description of good and comfortable headphones. So I won't write a long description, don't worry about that. So I'll just add the item here, and the white color wireless headphone added to the main inventory, and we can also see them, visualize them. So this is how we can add and delete item through the admin panel. And if I sign out again and log in from my user account, mar@gmail.com, let's write password. Yeah. So as you can see, the item isn't loaded here. So I think so the shimmers weren't shown this time because most of the items were there, but the item is now loaded, and we can see that the updated items list is given to the user, and the old headphones are also removed. So that is how our application is currently working, and I think that was about it for demonstration. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care, and Allah Hafiz.